message. I want to pass this message for all my friends, followers, and neighbors. For the last few months, I'm working on a project to evaluate the workshops and to get discounts from them. So if you own a car, I think this message is very, very important for you. If you do not own a car, maybe you can pass this message to your friend who owns a car. So I visited a list of shops that they are going to provide a good service for your cars. They are in DIP, Al Quoz, Deira Side, and even in Sharjah. These shops will give you a discount and they are approved, meaning to say that they know what they are working on. They will help you to fix your car in case if you have problem with your car. And they can inspect it also after the rain. My advice is to visit any of them. I will list the website at the comment box below and also in the description. And visit any of these shops and they will give you a discount. God bless you, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Today is sunny, as you can see. I'm really happy that it's sunny, and share this message for the people that they own cars.
Dr. Car Channel and mobile application are the best.